teach you how to crochet a cookie coaster. 4 strands of cotton yarn and 1 to 0.5 millimeters crochet hook. Start with a chain. Crochet 25 chains. Crochet the rest by yourself. Back to the 5th one. Crochet 3 double crochets. After 3 double crochets are completed, 2 chains. Skip 2. From the 3rd stitch, crochet for double crochets. Then crochet to chains. Skip 2. 1 group is done. This is the 1st group. This is the 2nd group. Skip 2 and crochet the 3rd group. 1 to 3. Start with 4 double crochets and finish the rest by yourself. Finally, there are 6 stitches left. Skip 2, 4 left. Start here and crochet for double crochets. Then the 1st row is completed. Now start crocheting the 2nd row, 5 chain stitches. The first 2 are standing needles. 3 chains, equivalent to a double crochet. Skip 2. The 3rd stitch starts to crochet for double crochets. Then we crochet to double crochets in the chain stitch holes. After completing the 4 double crochets, we crochet to chains. Skip 2 to crochet the next group. 1, 2. Start from the third one and crochet for double crochets. Then crochet to double crochets in the chain stitch holes. Then to chain stitches. Skip 2. Then you can start the next group. Now the second group is completed. Now start the third group. Start with 4 double crochets. Finish the rest by yourself. Finally, there are 3 stitches left. Skip 2. 1 left. In the last stitch, crochet a double crochet. The second row is done. Let's now crochet the third row. 3 chains are equivalent to 1 double crochet. Then turn it over. Then we crochet 3 double crochets. Two double crochets in the chain stitch holes. Then to chain stitches. Skip 2. The first group is done. Now let's crochet the second group. Crochet for double crochets from the third stitch. Now we crochet the second group. The crocheting method is the same for each group. Two double crochets in the chain stitch holes. Then to chain stitches. Skip 2, and the second group is complete. Start at the third stitch and tick the third group. The third group also starts with 4 double crochets. Finish the rest by yourself. Finally, there are 4 stitches left and 1 chain hole. Skip 2. Crochet for double crochets from the third stitch. Then crochet to double crochets in the chain hole. The third row is done. Repeat the second and third rows for the 4th to 8th rows. Finish it yourself. Now it's the 8th row, and it's almost done. The 8th row repeats the second row's crochet. Skip 2. In the last stitch, make a double crochet. Then the 8th row is completed. We can change the crochet here for the last turn. and change to white yarn. Then we crochet a single crochet in the chain stitch hole. Then we crochet for chain stitches. Then at the corner here, here's a single crochet. This is a group of patterns. Then we crochet for more chains. Skip 2. 1 single crochet. Then crochet for more chains. 1 single crochet and 4 chains, then skip 2 and repeat. Keep crocheting to the end. When you get to the corner, you need to crochet a single crochet first. 4 chains. 1 single crochet in the same position. The corners are all crocheted like this. Then crochet the pattern. After completing the round, 1 slip stitch with the first single crochet. Cut the yarn. Tighten it. Then hide the yarn end. Then cut the yarn. A biscuit coaster is done.